Understanding your cat's scratch habits. Have you ever wondered why your feline friend loves to scratch? It's more than just a quirky habit. It's a fundamental part of being a cat. Scratching serves several important purposes, and understanding these can help you create a happier home for your kitty. Cats scratch to mark their territory. They have scent glands in their paws, and scratching leaves behind both a visual mark and a unique scent. This tells other cats, "This is my space." Scratching isn't just about territory, it's also essential for your cat's health. It helps keep their claws healthy and sharp by removing the dead outer layers. Think of it as a natural manicure. Regular scratching also provides a good stretch for their muscles and tendons. This is especially important for indoor cats who may not get as much exercise. Sometimes, excessive scratching can be a sign that your cat is feeling stressed or anxious. It can be a self-soothing behavior, much like a human might fidget when nervous. If you notice a sudden increase in scratching, try to identify any potential stressors in their environment. Changes in routine, new pets, or even loud noises can trigger anxiety. Pay attention to where your cat chooses to scratch. The location can offer clues about their motivations. Are they scratching near windows? This might indicate they're reacting to outdoor animals. If they're scratching furniture, it's a clear sign they need a more appropriate outlet. This is where scratching posts come in handy. The key to saving your furniture is to provide appealing alternatives. Offer a variety of scratching posts in different materials and orientations. Some cats prefer vertical posts, while others like horizontal surfaces. Place these scratching posts near the areas where your cat already likes to scratch. This makes it easier for them to switch to the designated areas. When you see your cat using the scratching post, reward them with praise, treats, or a favorite toy. This reinforces the positive behavior and encourages them to use the post again. You can also try rubbing catnip on the scratching post to make it even more enticing. Most cats find catnip irresistible. For furniture you want to protect, consider using cat-friendly deterrents. Double-sided tape or specific sprays can discourage scratching without harming your cat. Regularly trimming your cat's claws can also minimize damage. This doesn't eliminate the need for scratching, but it does make it less destructive. Providing vertical spaces, like cat trees or shelves, can also satisfy their need for stretching while scratching. These spaces allow them to climb, explore, and feel secure. In multi-cat homes, ensure each cat has its own scratching post to prevent territorial disputes. This can help reduce stress and promote harmony. Understanding your cat's scratching habits is a crucial step in improving your communication and bond. By providing appropriate outlets and addressing any underlying stress, you can create a happier, more harmonious home for everyone. Educate all family members about the importance of cat scratching. This ensures everyone is on board with providing a supportive and understanding environment. With the right approach, you can transform scratching from a problem into a positive aspect of your cat's natural behavior.